The Great Bake-Off bust. Agnes Buttercup, bless her cotton socks, was utterly artless in the kitchen. Her idea of baking involved throwing ingredients vaguely in the direction of a bowl and hoping for the best yet. She'd inexplicably entered the annual village bake-off. Her rival, Reginald, Reggie, Witherbottom, was the picture of assured arrogance, already polishing his best sponge trophy from last year. Reggie's secret weapon was his assiduous attention to detail. He measured flour with a jeweler's precision and used a protractor to ensure perfectly symmetrical icing swirls. However, his methods were a touch artful. Rumor had it he once borrowed a competitor's secret ingredient. Turns out it was just extra vanilla. The judges, including the notoriously astute food critic, Bethany, the beholder, Blackwood, braced themselves. Agnes presented something resembling a collapsed volcano, emitting a faint, sulfuric odor. Reggie, meanwhile, unveiled a dazzling, multi-tiered masterpiece that practically gleamed. Just as Bethany was about to declare Reggie the winner, her keen nose twitched. "Mr. Witherbottom," she purred, "your cake? It has an unusual sparkle. And is that glitter?" Quote. Reggie blanched. Agnes, meanwhile, chirped, "Oh, I accidentally dropped my crafting supplies in mine too. That's why it looks like a geological incident." Quote. Bethany's eyes narrowed. "No, Mr. Witherbottom. This isn't craft glitter. This is industrial glitter. The kind found at construction sites." It turned out Reggie, in his artful attempt to make his cake pop, had used glitter from his shed, mistaking it for edible decor. His assured grin dissolved into a pathetic grimace. Agnes, the artless baker whose volcano cake was surprisingly edible once you got past the smell, won by default. Bethany, with her astute observation, had saved the bake-off from a sparkly, yet inedible, injustice.